Sweetie, are you excited to go to the theme park? Yeah, Mom, super excited. This is my first time ever at a theme park. Well, then hopefully it's fun. Sweetie, are you excited to go to the theme park? Yeah, super excited. It's my first time ever at a theme park. This is gonna be awesome. Well, let's hope it's fun then, because I wouldn't want your first time to be, well, meh. Okay, let's go. Wait up, don't run off. Mom, we're here. Can we go on the big zip line first? Okay. Just don't run off, okay? We can go on the zip line first. Do you want to go on the big one or the small one? The big one, the really, really big one. Okay. This video is sponsored by nothing. Okay, sweetie, there it is. You can go on it. Okay, I'm a little scared, but... Okay. Okay, they're gonna hire it. It's going higher. It's going a lot higher. You can do it, sweetie. I bet it'll be really fun. I know it'll be fun, but I'm actually really scared. Why am I so scared, Mama? Why? Okay. I'm kind of scared, though. Maybe I shouldn't. I'm really scared. Maybe I just shouldn't do this. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do this. I'm not going to be scared anymore. Mama, I'm actually really scared. Okay, I can do it. And go! Whoa! That was actually really fun. That was so fun. Mom, you gotta try it. It's so fun. Are you sure? I should try it? Yes, it is crazy fun like crazy crazies. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna jump in. Whoa. I see why she was a little scared. That's a big jump. Okay. Whoa, they are going a lot faster than they did with my daughter. I get why she's scared, but I'm not scared. If that makes any sense. Okay, I want to have my eyes closed, because then I think it'll make the ride funner. Woo! That was fun. Is it going to go any more, though? Whoa, yes it is. Whoa. That was crazy. Okay, sweetie, do you want to try a climbing wall now? Climbing wall? Yeah! All right, let's go. I'm trying it first, sweetie, okay? Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Okay, not too bad yet. Oh gosh, how am I going to climb this rock? Got it. Okay, now how else? Sweetie, you doing all right? Yeah, just bathing in the sun. Okay. I did it. Mom, why are you shocked you could do it? I know, I could do it easy peasy like a lemon squeezy. All right, then do it. Okay, I guess I'm going now. Let's go. Okay, this is a little more than I expected. Okay, you know what? I said I could do it, so I can do it, right? Oh gosh, this is really hard. Okay, I did it. What? Oh no, whoa. Okay. I didn't die, and I won't die. Okay. Mama, I did it. Sweetie, you want to go climb a tree now? Ooh, yeah. And I'm the master at climbing. Okay, let's go. Mommy, I'll go first, okay? All right, that's fine, sweetie. Whoa, this is a big tree. Do I have to climb all the way up? No. Technically, you don't even have to climb. Oh, I'm climbing. This is harder than you may think. I got up. Wow, that was quicker than I expected. Okay. Well. Okay. Okay, maybe not the best. Oh, geez, how am I going to get all the way up here? I'm just gonna like, ow, ow, but I'm okay. That's it. I'm trying again. Okay. Okay, I did that fairly quickly, luckily. So now I gotta keep climbing to the very, very top. Okay, maybe not to the top, but I'll still do it. I can't do it. Maybe over on this side? Yeah, I give up. I ain't doing it, Mama. Okay, then just basking in the sun. You are too? Okay. I don't feel like trying it. Mommy, there's one last thing I want to do. What is that? Give you a makeover. What? I'll show you what I mean. This is what I mean. What does a flower pot have to do with it? And why are there 3 flowers in your collar? Okay, please tell me you're just going to plant the flowers in the flower pot and put your collar around the flower pot. Please tell me. Nope. Oh gosh, sweetie. What did you do to me? And this collar is really tight. Whoa! Sweetie. Sweetie, why you do that to me? Mama, you look so funny. I know. And can you take this collar off? It's pretty tight. Okay. I'll take the collar off. How does the switch go again? What? You don't know how the switch goes? Oh, I got it. Oh gosh, that feels so much nicer. Why'd you even put this stupid collar on me in the first place? It was part of the makeover. Sure. Hi. I think we're done. Yeah, I think it's time to go home. Thank you for watching KK Awesome. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Bye. She'll see you in her next video.